Hey, Femi. So, as you know, you all know that I'm African, right? So in Africa, we are raised to share. This is why I'm here, to share the knowledge that I have with you. I remember there was a time that we didn't have a light, and we used to use a thermal, okay? To have a light. So we didn't have a kerosene, see, that we can fill up in a time or tank so we can have a light. So we had to depend on the moonlight for us to survive for some couple of days. So just to let you know, so that's how the environment I come from, village place. I'm a village young man, young African man, and that's how I was raised. So we were raised to share. This is why I share the knowledge that I have learned with you, the knowledge that I have self-taught with you. Now let's get started. So we have two questions here. Let me start with the first question. So first and foremost, I'm gonna lay. Okay, so this is our question here. X, they have a ln x dx. So I'm gonna let ln x u equal to ln x. You equal to ln x, and then this gonna be du. When you differentiate x, you're gonna get 1, and then this gonna be over x dx. Okay, so look, there is a little thing here you need to know. If somebody give you ln, just a ln meaning is log under this e. So if we say ln of x, meaning ln of x means it's like that. See what I'm saying? So they say ln of x equal to u. So now I can say ln of x meaning this. So it's like this equal to u. Okay? So I can do exponential rule. Okay, exponential rule. This is gonna come here, it's gonna come e power u equal to x. So I can just simply say also e power u equal to x. So all these I can use them to replace. So I'm gonna say e number, okay, x. What is that x? X meaning we know is e power u. 1 over, and here's gonna be, so this is gonna be e power u, and then multiply by 1 ln of x. What is the ln of x? Ln of x equal to u, because I do substitution now. Let me write big u here. Like this. You see what I'm saying? And then dx. What is the dx? So dx equal to, okay, so I know the value of x. What is the x? X equal to e power u. So this let me say, I can just multiply by x here. So it's going to become du. What is x? X equal to e power u. So since it's e power u, means I can say du e power u, because this x coming here, which is e power u equal to dx. So instead of saying this dx, I'll say e power u. So let me say e power u instead of this. Instead of say dx equal to e power u, and then we have our d. You look, u and u cancel. So this is e power 1. So this time we say e integral of e power 1 is just e, and then you multiply by e power u d u. So now we finish up. It's easy. So I'm gonna say then, I'll just simply say is e. I'll take this e back. So I'm letting e power u d u. But when you integrate e power u equal to e power u, so this is gonna be e, which we have here, and then e power u. But we know the value of u. What the value of u? U equal to the value of u ln of x. So this time we say e, and then we have e ln of x. Okay, but we have a rule in mathematics which says if you have an e ln of anything, let's say function, this time we say function of x. Like whatever is here equal to function of x. See, example, somebody give you e, let's say 3 ln of x. So what you gonna do with this? First, take the 3 over. So you take the 3, it's gonna come here, it's gonna become what? Ln, and this equal to x power 3. So for this case, this one here equal to e, it's just a e, and then this half here is gonna be just x. So it's gonna be times x. But I'd rather say e, xe plus our constant c. So if I integrate the whole of this equal to xe plus c. So this equal to xe plus c. Now let's go to the question number 2. Question number 2 is way easy. Very interesting question, this. I like this question. Okay, question number 2 It's way easy. What I'm gonna do, I'll just let this one, let u equal to 1 minus cosec x. You know why I do that? Because I know if I'm going to differentiate cosec, it's going to give me cosec cot. So now, differentiate u is going to give you du, and when you differentiate the 1, you get 0. And you still have a negative here, it's a negative. Okay, differentiate cosec. When you differentiate cosec, it's going to give you negative cosec x cot x. But are you with respect to x or dx? Negative, negative, positive. So it's going to give us positive. So simply say positive, so I don't need this bracket anymore, positive. Like I said, like this. That's how it came. So now what we're going to do, cosec x dx equal to cosec x dx, and the dx equal to du. So then these questions going to become, this isn't equal to du, and then here is going to become 1 minus, or there's no 1 minus, all this stuff equal to u. You see what I'm saying? So now this let me say integral of u a half du. So this is power rule of integration. If you add 1 here, it's going to become 3 over 2. So you can say, simply say u 3 over 2, or you can say 3 over 2, and this 3 over 2. So then we can just analyze saying, this let me say, what is u? We know the value of u. Or value of u equal to 1 minus cosec x bracket 3 over 2. 3 over 2, and these 2 is going to go to the top, and here you're going to be left with 3. So you can either write like this, or, but I'm being patient, I'm not going to stop there. I'll say this MSA, when you say 3 over 2, it's like 1.5. So this MSA, I can just say a half, and then I say 3 like this. So this a half is square root, so I can say square root. We have a 2 and 3 here, and then I can say, simple is 1 minus cosec x, and then q plus or c. You see what I'm saying? So now this is how you do this question, just simple like that, easy like that. If you face time in this program, make sure you come right here, subscribe. Okay, so me come from Africa, you know, me original from Africa, just like everybody here knows me. I thank God because that's a beautiful gift that God has given to me, you know, raised in Africa, you know, in concrete jungle, you know, we call it jungle, you know, is a great gift because it strengthened me and made me the person I am today. You know, I remember there was a time we didn't have no light, just like I explained before, so we were depending on the moonlight because in Africa most of the part was some part is savanna, so we have a thick forest, so we're moving from village to village, you know, from place to place. See, I have all the memories, you know, and we used to gather and hunt, and sometimes we do traditional barbecue. See, we have to go and hunt and get some meats and do some traditional barbecue. I had a great memory, and all that strength in me made me the person I am. This is why today I'm standing here in front of you, sharing the knowledge just like how I was raised by my grandmother. She always tell me, you have to go and give back. My grandmother used to have a lot of children from different part of the village because that's how she believed, you know, giving, sharing. This is why I'm here to share the knowledge with you. See, share knowledge with you. Thanks a lot for your time. Some of you might be new follower. If you're new, do please do me a favor, show me some love because you know I love you so much. Come subscribe here, share this with a lot of people, and I'll see you very soon. I'll see you soon. Peace. 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 Thanks a lot. Thanks, Melissa. My queen, you gon' wake me till Jesus come. Why when I talk, pocket full floss, money, honey, forget about Suzanne. So since we don't have all the equipment like, you know, cameras and all this stuff, so just use one of the webcam from my computer.